ever dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on.
Hello my friends, this is your brothers Nghe from V84, and this is the second episode of my food review show. If you watch my first episode, you realize that this is Louis, my friend from UK. So you want to say something?
Yeah, hello everybody. Thanks for having me again, Guillaume. 2 vlogs in a day. We're having some egg coffee. Not the first time I've had it, but my first time coming to visit this place to try it. So let's check it out. Looking forward to it.
Okay. So, yeah, I have a cold one, cold egg coffee. Have the
Got the hot version.
So,
yeah, and some chocolate powder on the top, I think. So it makes it all in.
are you a fan of coffee?
Yeah, I'm a big fan of coffee. I have a coffee every morning. I think Vietnamese coffee is really good. It's quite famous, behind Italian coffee and things. So I really like to drink out. I like to drink the iced coffee. It's because the weather outside is so hot, but I find the coffee does get a bit watery, when the ice melts. So I prefer to be in a cold place and drink a hot coffee, than to be in a hot place drink a cold coffee. But still, I like Vietnamese coffee, and egg coffee is good too.
Yeah. So the egg form is look good.
Super thick. I always think that the egg coffee is more like a dessert because it's so thick, or often you eat it with a spoon. Yeah. It's not very normal coffee, but it's good. Yeah.
I was a coffeeholic. I drink 2 cups of coffee. Drink 2 cups of coffee a day. But then I just realized that if I drink it every day, 2 cups a day, there's a problem with my. I can't sleep. Yeah, so I just reduced the amount of it, so 1 cup a day, and recently just 3 cups a week, I think. Yeah.
Well, that's pretty good. I still need one every morning, but I think I'm the same. If I drink coffee too late in the day, then I have trouble sleeping.
The space is quite spacious, but we sit in a small corner. I feel just like Japanese, they taste the tea.
Yeah, we are in a little bit of a corner, just like Gia said. It's like sitting around for a tea ceremony or something. It's kind of cozy, very low ceilings, low light.
The location, so it's just opposite the water bus station. One of the things that you should try in Ho Chi Minh City. Have you tried it before?
Yeah, I have, and I think actually both of us have. We made a video about doing the water bus taxi, right? Yeah, that's quite cool. I liked it. Yeah. I remember your video, it was raining.
It was raining, yeah.
In my video, it was lightning.
What do you think about the coffee here?
Actually, I think this is better because it's not so thick, so you can drink it like a normal coffee. It's still really nice and sweet. We saw them making it with the eggs and whipping it up a lot. So, yeah, really nice, and yeah, I liked it.
It is the coffee.
It's not too big, that's true. But it was only 45k, which is about $2 or so, right?
Yeah, it's 45k for each.
Okay.
Yeah. About $2.
Yeah.
$2. Yeah. Very affordable. The great thing here that in Saigon, you just need to pay for a cup of coffee, and you can have a Wi-Fi, aircon, good space to work or to study.
Yeah, that's right. I think there's a really big cafe culture here, which is nice because it's nice. This is a nice kind of aesthetic. It's a nice place to chill. You could stay all day and do work. Yeah. We both want to work online, so I can imagine coming here and do the work, have a coffee.
So maybe that's it for this episode. It's just like a short one, and we just enjoy the egg coffee. And I would highly recommend you to go check out this place because the decoration is also beautiful, and the egg coffee is good.
Yeah, I agree. I think the place is Cafe Chung 3T. Is that the name?
Yeah, 3T.
And we're just opposite the water bus station in District 1. I think it's a good place to come and check it out. So thanks for inviting me again.
Yeah, thanks for joining me this episode.
That's alright.
Okay, that's awesome.
Cheers.
Yeah, cheers.